Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the immediate suspects. Open Task Manager and watch CPU, GPU, RAM, and disk percentages while the game runs. Close resource-heavy apps and overlays that steal cycles. Once done, switch your power plan to high performance and plug in your laptop. Make sure game settings aren't forcing upscaling or excessive background recording. These steps remove the most common culprits fast, so you can move to targeted fixes without wasting time on irrelevant tweaks. Next, update or reinstall your GPU drivers using a clean install to eliminate driver corruption. If a recent update caused the drop, roll back one version. Lower demanding settings like shadows, texture quality, and render scale to get immediate frame gains. Toggle VSync and try a frame limit or adaptive sync option because synchronization can cause stuttering or drops. Also check game-specific patches and community notes. Once you tune drivers and settings together, you'll isolate whether hardware or config caused the issue. Finish by verifying thermals. Monitor CPU/GPU temps during play and clean dust from fans or heatsinks. If temperatures exceed safe thresholds, reapply thermal paste or improve airflow. Run a benchmark and a 10 to 15 minute stress test to confirm consistent frame output. If drops persist, test RAM and SSD health and perform a clean boot or temporary OS user profile to rule out software conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, note exact symptoms and timestamps before seeking support so technicians can reproduce the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.